I'll be buying these again. In terms of efficacy, I get a better night's rest without feelings of grogginess in the morning. Keep in mind that melatonin isn't a tranquilizer. You shouldn't take melatonin with the expectation of it working like an Ambien. This isn't a hypnotic drug, it's a synthetic version of a naturally occurring sleep hormone. Melatonin won't knock you out, but it certainly helps me achieve a deeper, more restful sleep. Taking melatonin, I experience increased dreaming and the dreams are unusually vivid and lifelike. Pretty cool. At 150 tablets, I feel like this is a good value. The strawberry flavor is pleasant as well. Hands down the best of the various brands I've tried. Very happy with this purchase. I have bipolar disorder type 1. I didn't want to go on meds to help regulate my sleep. Already on enough. My psychiatrist told me to take these. I was very happy to see that the pills weren't very big and are very easy to take. So far they seem to be helping. For the price these are a must-have. The taste isn't the best, quite similar to Tums. But it's a supplement, not a candy bar. Definitely recommend. Me and my boyfriend love these. I trouble with sleeping and didn't want to take NyQuil all the time since long-term use can be damaging to your health, and melatonin, it's natural, they are dissolved so they work very quick and taste very good. Xylitol is the first ingredient listed. It is a sweetener that will kill your dog. It takes only a tiny amount to do so. The supplement works great, dissolves well, and the effect is quick. I like it better than the pill form. My only concern is for my dog. I sure don't want to drop one. Just be aware of that with dog owners. Other than that, it works really well for sleep. This is the obvious go-to. I struggle to sleep, so this is my drug-free solution. It's pretty standard melatonin, but it actually tastes amazing. I think everyone knows how great this product is, so I figured I'd share an additional tip. Stack it with ASIN, BOOZCEXURO Diablo PM, on nights when you can get 7+ hours of sleep. Neither of the products feel me leaving groggy, but the quality of sleep is amazing. It's a great combo, especially if you're an active athlete or looking to drop a couple of pounds. Diablo PM helps you relax but doesn't actually contain melatonin, so it's a great combo. Natrol makes the most popular 5 mg dissolving melatonin tablet. The flavor is strawberry but tastes more like a grape sour tart to me. It's vegan, but contains wheat and soy. See photos for labels. I use these melatonin from time to time when having trouble getting to sleep. They definitely work and help to aid in falling asleep. I'd recommend to anyone. I also like that they are dissolving strawberry flavor. Not bad at all. Click link in description for more reviews. Please tell me the product you want and I will check it and do the review for you for free. Please subscribe.